Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. On a new world working remote, we at Valet, being a remote team, have some useful tips for new remote workers to stay focused through the day. We love to over-communicate, and that is what makes our team great, tackling WordPress support from around the globe. Maintain regular hours, stick to a schedule. It's easy to not to know when to shut off. Feed your pet before you start working. If you don't want your cat to jump into your laptop or hearing the dog chewing on the furniture, feed them early. Find your most productive time of day and use it for your hardest work. Set a timer to get up and move. Don't use that comfy couch all day long. And if you're a coffee or tea lover, always have a cup ready. What are you doing to stay productive? Let us know!